Didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't pull through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You hate me.
And what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? You know what? Let me get out of my room. Anytime we do this, we're usually always in the kitchen when we start the intro, so I'll be right back. What's good, my fellas, my ladies, my gentlemen, all of that. All of the people watching, my viewers right now. So, as of right now, and what I'm about to do is, I'm actually about to be heading out to Sacramento, and I'm going to be checking out a new car that I may possibly be picking up. Said I wasn't going to buy no more cars, but it's kind of something I've been like, kind of wanting, and I think this one's pretty cool, and the price is right. So, you guys already know, I am a Mustang lover at heart. That's originally what I was. But, yeah, so before I had my yellow 240 that went viral on all the S chassis pages and all that stuff back in the day, I used to have the SA95. So I've always liked the new edges. So today we're going to be checking out a new edge Mustang. But the cool part about the new edge Mustang is it is coyote swapped. So what I'm looking at getting this car for is 100% drifting. I love the way my Fox was feeling when I took it out. So I've been like kind of looking at possibly buying another Fox body, SA95 or new edge, just because, you know, those are cars that I've always liked also. So this new edge popped up, seen it on IG. So yeah, we're gonna see how this thing is in person. It looks pretty good. I would do the exact same suspension combo that's on my Fox, and I would just go slide the hell out this thing. So if everything all goes as planned, this will be 100% like full on drift car. Like I probably won't even register this thing. It'll just be full on track car. So yeah, I'm about to go pick up White Aaron, and then we go head out and go check this thing out. But hopefully everything seems as good as it looks in pictures, and yeah, that's what we're gonna keep our fingers crossed for today. But we may possibly add in car number 11 to the squad. I think this is it. Hopefully, if I buy anything else, I'd have to get rid of like at least a car or two. I've been telling myself I want the downsize and all that, and here I am fucking buying more cars. But it's a good deal. And since we're gonna be looking at a Mustang, we may as well take the turbo notch. So yeah, I'm gonna drive that. Plus I need to break the clutch in anyway, so I just need to get some miles on that thing. Everything prime and boot up. God, this clutch feels lovely. Get out of the driveway before we hotbox and kill Granny with carbon monoxide. Alright, so I almost forgot. I did pick up White Aaron. We just been driving. I forgot to grab the camera and be like, hey, my boy's here.
Well, it's like the first time I've been in this too, so we were chopping it up.
Oh yeah, this is, huh?
It's the first time.
She's smooth.
I mean, I sat in it when we were pulling it out.
Pushing it from the shop.
Pushing it from the shop, yeah.
Alright, so we just getting here. We want to check out the new edge. Me and my man's right here talking real quick, but he also got a nice little notchback. Looks clean.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, what's up with the pink one though?
Oh, yeah.
This looks clean. What you gonna do with it?
Man, I'm keeping it for a minute.
You just had it painted, I see.
Yep. I keep selling them, so I'm gonna keep this one for a second.
What's in there?
302.
302?
It's a little motor. I got the 24-pound injectors. Oh, the black intake. Just all the regular little shit.
Looks cool.
Yeah.
That looks good. All right, so this is what we're looking at. This is the new edge right here. Not too bad. Has like the aftermarket Cobra style bumper.
Mm-hmm.
Need a rear bumper, but that ain't shit.
I just found one in Vallejo too. I did some research. I seen this shit, right? Then I looked it up on YouTube. I seen Babbitt take the bumper off.
Yeah, I can see it's pushed. It's pushed.
traction.
It's pushed out right here. So
He hit on that side, like
yeah, it pushed it.
Yep. Man.
What motor in here?
V3.
Got you.
Yeah.
How's the alignment and everything? Did he ever straighten it back out or no?
Hopefully, the alignments feel good.
Hmm.
You can drive it. Go drive it.
I'm gonna have you take it around the block. A little lifter tick. Heard the tick when it first started? Little tick.
Yeah.
Sounds smooth though.
Really.
Hella smooth. Probably, you know how I go. Fucking lifter need to pump up. Sounds hella smooth. Oh, it has coilovers.
That's little headers on there. That's little shit on here. Yeah. I'm getting this shit away, really. I don't got no room. I got to see another Audi A7. My girl like, man, where you keeping all this shit at? I'm like, man. Pick one. I'm like, well, that one ain't going nowhere.
I ain't getting rid of the Fox.
Yeah.
Yeah, it sounds smooth.
Yeah. To be honest.
Sounds hella smooth.
Yeah, even better than I thought it was.
He said he knocked the exhaust off going up the driveway.
That was him.
Just look. So
It literally
it came off at the
right in there.
needs to be slid back in. Probably caught and pulled it out of the slip yoke.
That's what happened. You can see it like teetering in there.
Yeah.
Shit, crazy. When I drove the shit to the store yesterday, they didn't do nothing. Like, it ain't gonna scrape or nothing.
See, rev it up a little bit. It's not too bad. Sounds good.
He got some gears in here for sure.
So gauge cluster seems to be working too. We'll wait and see if the temp goes up. I'm not sure if the temp gauge is hooked up. What you do? Over there fucking with shit. Nah.
What you think this is?
Well, this is going into the underneath the intake somewhere. But I was hearing a
Vacuum leak.
Yeah, like a vacuum leak. I didn't know if it was going to change the idle up or down, and then I kept it off and it
Pull it down.
damn near killed it. Yeah. Maybe that's just supposed
Oh, I wonder if it goes back into the intake.
to take. Yeah, that's what
Yeah.
I was going to say. Like if this is supposed to go.
Let me see. Start it back up.
We go there for our shit.
Yeah, right. Maybe that's why it's not connected.
For real.
Have Egger run through it. He would know these. It is definitely a vacuum leak.
Yeah.
Try putting it on there and see what happens.
Yeah. I mean, it's not gonna.
It's not even gonna work.
It's not even gonna work or seal, but.
Already got coilovers.
I wonder if the rear is because it's got the.
I know we can check. See if the rear has the coilovers too. It has to. It's like low.
It's low as hell.
Shocks.
Probably has a spring perch.
Picked off the screen.
you can see this is where he boosted at. He pushed the exhaust.
It does have the springs that match the coilover.
Oh yeah.
This damn track takeover.
I know.
Go, Alex.
Sideshow kid. It's your fault, Alex. You gave him a pit to crash it in.
Right?
Let me see. Pop the trunk for us.
Man, I never could get in that trunk.
Yeah, that's what I was looking. I can see right here. I'm like,
I don't know what it is, but
Is it a latch? You got a latch to it?
the button don't work, did it?
No latch, no key. Or try the key. The key go in here?
I don't think so. I tried.
Alright, so we just got the trunk open. Shock towers are nothing. Nothing here indicates like a big boost. So it looks like he probably just hit right here. Like this piece probably caught the bash bar, squished it and pushed that over a little bit, but it seems like it's cool.
They just need a bash bar.
Right? Put a bash bar here.
Yep.
Put a Cobra bumper.
There you go.
Has coilovers on here too. Same as the front. Windows and everything work too?
Yeah. Radio work, Bluetooth. That's what I think will make her like radio work. Get the smallest shit in the Mustang.
I wonder if this thing has an angle kit on here. Let's see, turn the wheel real quick.
Like that, huh? My brother was like, why is it like that? Like, man, they was doing that shit, they hit the donuts and shit.
Definitely no angle. No angle. Nah, it ain't got an angle kit. Not too shabby overall. And it's white, it matches my notch.
Hey, that was my girl.
Black. I like that.
I got a white Audi and a white Benz. I was like, nah, I can't keep this white.
It's not bad. Alright, so Aaron gonna go take the new edge around the block real quick. So cool part is this actually isn't, I thought it was like a fiberglass bumper, but it's polyurethane. Look, this angle, she big clean.
I tried to pull that shit off, but you know it's over the rear end. I'm like, wow.
What you think? Huh?
Sounds like a Christmas bell.
Oh, dangly. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Go, 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 go. Keep going. Go, go. Back mode. Back. All right, you good? What do you think? How I feel?
I mean, it feels cool. The only thing is if you get on it and then you get off and then you try to get back on it, it bombs.
I wonder if it has to do with that vacuum line.
Yeah, that's what I think. To be expected.
I know. Being at the sideshow,
Yeah, right.
it probably didn't hit a couple people.
Well, legal sideshow. We'll put it out there.
Yeah.
Hit a couple people already.
Seriously.
All right, so since we're already in SAC, me and Aaron about to head to SAC Speed Shop for a quick second. Want to run over there. Ray has the C5 running, but it's looking like we're gonna be probably taking this thing and picking it up later tonight. The motor runs hella smooth. It already has the coilovers. I like the way it's looking and sitting, so it wouldn't be nothing for me to get a bumper, you know, some splitters and do the mic to it. The big selling point on this is the motor,
Big time.
the motor swap. So all right, we'll head to SAC Speed Shop, and then maybe later today we're gonna be coming to pick this thing up. Ready, my boy?
Yes, sir. It runs strong too. Besides the fact that when you like
The vacuum.
the vacuum, it just can't like set its own idle or whatever.
It might be idle air control related.
Yeah.
But for the price, you can't pass that up. Oh, I forgot you can't do that with this. Gotta let the computer prompt. I'm like eager, like I gotta go.
Right.
All right, so we here at Saxby shop. What's up? How you doing, bro? Cool. This fool called me like, bro, like he had bad news.
It is bad news.
That ain't bad news. That's minor compared to what was with the
I'm
whole.
trying to get over this car. I keep having to take it apart. That's bad news.
You bad news. Call me with good news for once.
Man, I could have said oil pressure is cool. Send it. You just won't have a working gauge.
We need a working gauge, bro. It's 60 psi. Does that seem kind of high?
It wasn't warm. I pretty much.
Oh, cold.
Yeah, it's still cold. Yeah, but I turned it on and it said 18, 16 at first, and I was like, what the fuck? And then it warmed up and it went to 18, and I was like, yeah, something's wrong.
So it sounds better now.
Yeah, way better, smoother too.
Good. That's what I want to hear. How am I supposed to fill my oil with this thing on there?
Just like that.
Oh, no, I don't want to be taking. It has O-ring.
Yeah.
I ain't trying to be dealing with that. Next thing you know, O-ring breaks and I'm stuck.
Stop it.
I'm just get a small funnel and stick it right here. So it's good though. You think we good? We ready for 800 horsepower or what?
I'm gonna say possibly.
See, this is when people say possible, it's just like they're just trying to like spread out the blame if it don't work.
Man, I didn't build the motor.
Alright, so we're just pulling back up to White Aaron's just now. So, after doing a little research and looking, it's actually not a Coyote swap. The Coyote, yeah, I thought it was a Coyote swap, but it's a 3-valve. So, it's the year before the Coyote and a year after the 2-valve 4.6, which is the one that is originally in the 2-edge, or the 2-valve is originally in the new Edge, but they had swapped it over for a 3-valve, which is out of the year after that one. So, I was hoping and wishing it was a Coyote. The Coyote motor would have been the huge selling point on that, but turns out it wasn't a Coyote. So, I mean, it still wasn't a deal breaker. The price was definitely right. So, you know, I told dude that I actually went and pulled the money out of my account. Got the money sitting in my wallet right now, but I told him we'll come back later on today, probably once it cools off and all that. So, we'll see. We'll see if we end up getting this or not. I don't know. I was hoping it was a Coyote. The Coyote was a selling point for me. 3-valves aren't as desirable, I guess you could say. It's kind of like almost like having a stock motor, but slightly better. So, we'll see. We'll see what we end up coming up with. But yeah, as of right now, we just at White Aaron's chilling, and it's hot. So I'm gonna go here and chillax a little bit, and then I'll be back with y'all probably next time. We'll wrap this up. Y'all figure out if we got the car in another video or something. So yeah.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fuck the niggas hating on. I've been on the come up, you can go